to all pure teachers of Supreme Divine Love. What we have here is a wonderful design which is available in many different variations, and it says, we don't say sorry, we say love wish. It is a very common thing to say sorry, and usually the intention is good, but the result is rather connected to sorrow, as the word implies. So we suggest a positive alternative, and that is to say love wish, because that is what the self is about. And why we say sorry? Because we did not want to cause any inconvenience, hurt, discomfort, or similar. So it will be much more beneficial for us and the other person if we remember our self-quality, and the essential self-quality, or the root of all self-qualities, is our eternal nature of love. So if something happens which is not very loving as we wish it to be, then we can say love wish or OM.Love. And in this way we have created a nice reminder, a nice shirt with a nice design, which can be had in all kinds of variations, t-shirts, cups, bags, etc. on our Spreadshirt shop. The link is in the description below. Your comments and questions are most welcome. Feel free to subscribe and share. May the OM.Love be with you. We don't say sorry, we say love wish.